Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday market webcast. Okay, so we've been open for about an hour. I couldn't get it out this morning. I was messing around with some stuff on the computer here, but as I said down there, the grind higher is in full effect. It's just a grind. We did the 2 days here at the 9-day, here and here. It just continues to grind up. The high of the moment is 23.5. You have a new weekly pivot down at 29.98.58. That coincides with the 9-day on the daily chart, which is right around 96.97. And then you got the round number 3,000. There's been a push down off the open. I'll be interested to see if it can spend any time at all below the hourly midband. You can see it tried here. It tried here. The 2 o'clock hour back on Thursday is really the last hour that we've spent, the only hour we've spent completely below the hourly midband. Above, and then you got to go back to Wednesday, pre-market. So being able to convert the hourly midband likely opens up a move to these Friday afternoon lows down at 05.5, and then potentially down to the roundy down to 98. But the bears are going to have to execute on the downside. It's something they really have not been able to do. If the hourly midband goes the way the hourly midband has gone since Wednesday, then we will take out 23.5. We will make some more highs today, likely make some more highs in Globex, and this grind higher will continue. This is the kind of rally that everybody hates, that everybody fights, everybody looks for a top, and there's no top. There's only little baby pullbacks that get bought and then grind up to higher highs. So you really got to be careful getting overly convicted about short trades. They are trades. And until it can convert the 9-day on the daily, there really isn't a whole heck of a lot to discuss. That's your support area. That held here, it held here, and until it becomes resistance, the bears have very little sustainability. They can make a little noise on a drop, but until you take this out, it's just noise. So there's a lot of week left. Today's focus, this morning's focus, hourly midband. All right, take care, trade them well, talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.